In this exercise, we will do the concept of the sum of the series. Before we will take the exercise, let's have a look on some formulas which you will use it over here. Rather, identities, you can say it. Here, sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers is formula n plus 1 upon 2. This formula you did with the help of the AP also. By using the AP sum formula, you can find out its answer, that is n plus 1 by 2. Same way, sum of the square of n natural numbers. Sum of the square of n natural numbers is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6. And sum of the cube of n natural numbers. Sum of the cube of n natural numbers, its formula is n plus 1 whole square upon 4. So these three identities, these three formulas you will use in these questions of exercise 9.4. Okay, now come to the first question. Question is, you have to find out the sum of the series, and this is the series written over here. Before we will find out its sum, first thing you have to find out its nth term. For that, let's have a look. यहाँ देखिए बेटा, इस टर्म में ये 1 है, इन सेकेंड टर्म 2 एंड इन थर्ड टर्म 3 एंड सो ऑन. तो लास्ट टर्म में आपका nth टर्म क्या हो जाएगी? देखो 1 2 3 एंड सो ऑन. सो लास्ट टर्म विल बी n. नेक्स्ट टर्म देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2 3 4 एंड सो ऑन मीन्स प्रीवियस टर्म में 1 ऐड हो गया. सो द term will be n plus 1, isn't it? So this will be the last term. So with the help of this series, we have tried to find out the nth term. So nth term is an equal n plus 1. अब हमें इसका sum निकालना है. To find out the sum of this nth term, Sn equal sum of this. So it is from 1 to k, summation sign means sum. So instead of k, instead of n, you will put it is, instead of n, you will put k. So we will write it k. अब आप क्या करेंगे? You have to find out the sum of this term. तो आप open the bracket, write them individually. So k square sum and k into 1 k. Summation of k. So summation of k square and the value from 1 to n. K square means sum of the square of n natural number and k means sum of the n natural number. So यहाँ पर आप क्या करेंगे? Now you will summation k value from 1 to n, k square. तो आप k square sum of square of n natural numbers का formula लगा देंगे. n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6 square of n natural number plus summation of k. K means sum of n natural numbers and its formula is n plus 1 upon 2 sum of n natural numbers. So instead of this you will write its value or formula. Now solve it for the 6 n plus 1 2n plus 1 plus 3 n plus 1, and by taking some common term you can go further. So common is n plus 1 common, and in the bracket you will left out with this upon 6. Okay, now solve this one together to get the answer. Is it clear? Basically in this exercise you have to do the sum of n natural numbers or the square of n natural numbers, sum or sum of the cube of n natural numbers concept. Look at the question 2. I will try to make the nth term over here, and the rest of the things you can able to do it yourself. Look, these are the terms here. In the first term, first number 1, here 2, 3 and so on. So nth term will be n. Second term देखते हैं, second digit. It is 2, 3, 4, means previous term में 1 add हो गया. So it will be n plus 1. Next term 3, 4, 5 and so on. It means इसके previous term में 1 add हो गया. So it will become n plus 2. Now this is the nth term. Okay. अब आप कैसे, how will you find out its sum? You can multiply them together. Open the bracket like n square plus 3n plus 6 and further it will become n cube plus 3n square plus 6n. अब आप क्या करेंगे? To find out its sum, ये cube formula here you will put it, here you will put the square formula and here you will put the sum of n natural numbers formula. Okay, the concept is same as the previous one. Question 3. In question 3, again we will try to make the formula here, nth term. We will try to find out the nth term. Look at this one. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on. So what it should be? n square. और अगर आप देखेंगे, this is 3, 5, 7 and so on. 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So what it should be? क्या होगा ये? What will you write it? Tell me. So in this, it is yours 2n plus 1. Isn't it? 2n plus 1. Look here. 2n plus 1. अब देखो n की वैल्यू अगर आप 1 पुट करते हैं, so it will become 3. n value if you will put it 2, so it will become 5 and this will become 2 square. Next term you will get it and so on. So this is the nth term. You can write it further also. Multiply it 2n cube plus n square. अब आप इसका sum निकाल लेंगे. Is it clear? Again you have to use cube sum formula and here you will use square of formula that is written over there. Question 4th. Look at the question 4th. In question 4, this is, if you will see nth term, आप अगर देखेंगे, so it is 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is n and 2, 3, 4 and so on. So it will become n plus 1. ये हो जाएगा. Okay. Now it will be little difficult to solve this thing further. You can solve it, लेकिन उसका sum का formula लगाने में मुश्किल हो जाएगा. You can't separate them. So we will think something else. So an, हम क्या करेंगे? We will use n add करेंगे और n ही subtract कर देंगे. Okay, like this. Now write them separately. Write them separately. So if you will write them separately, it will become 1 upon n minus 1 upon n plus 1. Isn't it? ये जो है अगर आप देखेंगे, it will be cancelled out. You will get this thing. So this is the nth term. From here, what should be the first term? हम इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा with the different way we will try to do it. A1. Look here, A1. Instead of n, you will put 1. So it will be 1 upon 1, 1 upon 2. Instead of n, A2. what it will become? 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. A3, 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. Same way, an, that is already written over here. an is 1 upon n minus 1 upon n plus 1. अब सर दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस सम, अगर हम सबको ऐड कर देते हैं, एस एन विल बी a1 प्लस a2 प्लस a3 and so on up to an. Look here, if you will add them together, after adding them together, ये देखिए ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, दिस एंड दिस विल बी कैंसल्ड आउट, ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सेम वे 1/4 और यहाँ जो टर्म होगी दैट विल ऑल्सो बी कैंसल्ड आउट, जो यहाँ पे टर्म होगी वो इससे कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट विल बी द लेफ्ट आउट देन? व्हाट विल बी द लेफ्ट आउट? कैन यू टेल मी? अगर ये कैंसिल हो जाता है तो आपके पास टर्म क्या बचेगी? You will get only, after adding it, 1 minus half like this, then a2 half minus 1/3 plus 1/3 minus 1/4 and so on. देखिए it will be cancelled out. So what will be left out? 1, this one will be left out and this part will be left out because ये भी यहाँ पे जो टर्म होगी उससे कैंसिल हो जाएगा and minus 1 upon n plus 1 will be left out, isn't it? ये टर्म रह जाएगी, एक ये टर्म रह जाएगी and one term will, this will be left out after adding up. And now solve it. n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1, so it will become n upon n plus 1. तो ये क्या निकला? n upon n plus 1 सम निकला. सो विदाउट यूजिंग दिस कंसेप्ट हमने इसका सम बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड वी हैव टेकन आउट. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन फिफ्थ में आपका 5 स्क्वायर से अप टू 20 स्क्वायर तक है टर्म्स. इट इज नॉट फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग, 1 स्क्वायर से नहीं है. सो दिस टर्म, this we can write it 1 square, 2 square, 3 square plus 20 square. इसमें से हम 1 square plus 2 square, 3 square plus 4 square we can subtract it. If we will subtract from 1 to 20, from 1 to 20 square, if we will subtract from 1 to 4 square, we will get this answer, isn't it? So we will write it in this way. Now, again you will use the concept of the nth term. Nth term you will use it. Look here, how will you write it? You have to write it in this form. So how will you do it? Sn will be summation from k value 1 to 20 and this is n square. Okay, n square minus summation k value 1 to 4 and this is also n square. Okay, so n square formula is this one, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6. This is the formula. अब आप क्या करेंगे इसमें? Instead of n, ये आपके n square value, instead of that you will put 20. Okay, because ये आपका 1 to 20 है and that formula is from 1 to n. तो आपको 1 to 20 तक का वैल्यू डालनी है. So put it over there, n square, that is 20 n plus 1, 20 plus 1 and then it is 2n plus 1. So 2n plus 1 is 40 plus 1 upon what is written? 6. Okay, and minus n square, but here the value is from 1 to 4. 1 to 4. So instead of n square, आप अब क्या डालेंगे वैल्यू? 4. 4 plus 1 and then 2n plus 1 means 4. 8 plus 1 upon 6. Is it clear? हमने क्या किया, ये जो फॉर्मूले थे दीज आर द फॉर्मूलेस फॉर सम ऑफ एन स्क्वायर. अब यहाँ पे जो एन स्क्वायर है वो उसकी वैल्यू क्या है? 1 से लेके 20 की सम निकालना है. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ एन यू विल टेक इट्स वैल्यू एज 20. अब इसको आप सॉल्व करेंगे एंड देन यू विल गेट द आंसर. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Come to question 6. In question 6, this series is given, this one. Look at the series. First number is 3 and then 6 and 9 and so on. So it's a multiple of 3. So we will write it 3n. And the second number 8, 11, 14. ये क्या है? 3 में अगर 5 ऐड कर दिया you will get it 8. 6 plus 5, 11. 9 plus 5, 14 and so on. So the next nth term will be 3n plus 5. 3n में 5 ऐड कर दिया. Open it, you will get it. Now you have to find out the sum of this. So we can write it 9 summation of n square plus 15 summation of n. Look at the 7th question. 7th question. Normally in 7th question, student used to do mistake. First term is n square, second n square, 1 square plus 2 square, third term is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. What should be the nth term? Nth term will be 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to n square. ये आपकी nth term आई है. अब आप इसको further solve करेंगे. Solve it further, you will get this term by using the formula, this formula. आपके पास ये आ जाएगा. ओपन इट, यू विल गेट दिस. अब आप इसका सम निकालेंगे. गॉट इट? यू विल फाइंड आउट द सम ऑफ दिस nth टर्म. क्वेश्चन 8th onward. From question 8th onward, nth term is already given. Nth term is given and you have to find out its sum. Nth term, open it, you will get this term. Now you will find out the sum of this term. The series rather you can say it. So sum of this will be this. Okay, now you can use the formula to get the answer. Come to question 9. In question 9, nth term is n square plus 2 power n. तो अगर हम इसका सम निकालते हैं, so summation of n square plus summation of 2n, ये हो जाएगा. अब n square summation, look at n square. N square summation is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6. What about 2n summation? Value from 1 to n. It will be 2, 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power n. So what do you observe here? In this, what do you observe? This forms a GP. यहाँ तो ये sum निकल गया, but here you have to find out for the sum, and since it forms a GP, so we will use the sum of GP formula. So this will n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6, and what is the GP sum? Sum of a GP series, that is A, first term, Rn minus 1, so 2n minus 1 and r minus 1. Solve it to get the answer. In question 10th, nth term is given. Open it, you will get this as a nth term. Now find its sum. 4n square, you will take the constant term outside, minus 4n and 1 को n times add करना है. So if you will add 1 n times, it will become n. अब इसका summation नहीं निकलेगा because हमने यहाँ पे इसका sum निकाल लिया है. And then again use this formula to get the answer. In order to do all the questions of this series, you have to remember these identities, these formulas quite well. Then only you can able to do the question. I hope that you can able to do all the questions of this exercise yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.